What happens if interest rates go up though? Buy-to-let property investing is so risky. I mean, interest rates right now are so low, but if they just go up a little bit, it's going to scupper most landlords. How scary, how risky. If you've heard that said, then this video is for you, so stay tuned. So let me just say a couple things about interest rates. Number one is, yes, interest rates, they are very, very low right now. They have gone up a tiny little bit in the last 6 months, and they probably will go up. But listen, this is the important thing. Right now, you can fix your interest rates for up to 10 years. Now, if they were going to shoot up massively in the next few years, why on earth would lenders let you fix interest rates for 10 years? If you fix it for 10 years, you don't have to pay 10%. I'm talking 4, 5 at max. I've just had one of my students who's fixed their interest rates, get this, at 1.9% buy to let for 5 years. If you fix your interest rates, they can't go up, certainly for 5, 10 years. Secondly is this, the only thing that's going up super fast anytime soon is house prices and rents. With the new Section 24, rents are shooting up, even though you can protect yourself by buying in a limited company. With Brexit, people were scared that house prices were gonna fall, but it hasn't happened. I live in the Midlands. Brexit was announced 2 years ago, and in the Midlands, property prices have gone up in some areas as much as 36%. People say, oh, Brexit has affected the prices in London because since Brexit was announced, London prices have dipped. The only reason London prices have dipped is because there was a massive expansion. Because from 2011 to 2016, 5 years, parts of London doubled in value. And after a massive expansion like that, of course, there's going to be a little fall. It's got nothing to do with Brexit. So if you're one of those people concerned about interest rates going up, just fix them, for crying out loud. Make sure that there's plenty of cushion. So if your interest payments are £300 a month and your rent is £400 a month, that's just £100, teeny £100 profit. So if there's a problem, boiler breaks, interest rates go up a little bit, you're gonna feel it more. But if you've got £500, £1,000 per month in profit every single month, and interest rates go up a little bit, even if they double, you're still going to be in good profit. So let me tell you this. There's 2 types of people. One, always come up with reasons why something cannot be done. And those people are always broke. The second kind of person is people that come up with reasons why something can be done and create solutions, like fixing their rates, like having cushion in their profit, like buying through a company. And those are the rich people. I'd love to know your thoughts below. Put down your comments. What do you think is going to happen with interest rates? What do you think is going to happen with Brexit? Comment below. Subscribe for more. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. If you benefited from that video, please do share it with your family and friends. For more videos like it, you can watch right here. And if you'd like to spend 2 days with me at the Property Investors Crash Course, watch this video, see what happens. But whatever you do, don't forget to subscribe right here, and I'll see you next time.